Hello students, today we will be solving a problem from class 10 biology. How do organisms reproduce? So here the question says, explain the following images in your own word. So see, here we can see the images of seeds. Seeds are what? These are the future plant. These are the small structure which will germinate to form future plant. So here we can see one maize seed and one bean seed. So one maize seed is there and one bean seed is there. Okay. So there are two types of seed, guys. One is monocot seed and one is dicot seed. Monocot seed have one cotyledon and dicot seed have two cotyledons. What are these cotyledons now? These are what? These stores the food. So monocot seed, so maize is what? Maize seed is monocot seed. And bean seed has two cotyledon as we can see. So it is dicot seed. So we can see here one is the total seed and other is the longitudinal section of this maize seed. Okay, in total seed you can see the cotyledon. Okay, and the seed is covered by the hard covering that is called seed coat, and there is embryonic portion also. Then here we can see the longitudinal section in which we can see this cotyledon which stores the food, and there is developing embryo inside. This is embryonic part, guys. Okay, then the second dicot seed, here is bean seed. This is the full structure of bean seed. Then it is the internal structure of this seed, in which we can see these two cotyledons. These two are cotyledons, and here we can see this is embryonic part, and from embryonic part this future root or future this shoot is going to arise. Okay, so these are the seeds. One is maize seed, A is maize seed. So here answer is A is maize seed, which is a monocot seed. It consists of one cotyledon and there is embryonic part which will give rise to shoot and root. Then B is bean seed, guys, which will give rise to new beans. Okay. So thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.